Alexis. Hey, Hayden. Ooh, I gotta sneeze.
Sneeze then. Okay.
Ooh. OMG, I'm like so sorry. Hey, Alexis. Look, just get this mess off of my face now. All right? But I don't have any tissue. Oh my gosh, I hate this life. I hate.